Hi everybody and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. We are continuing to look at time and today we are looking at telling time to half past the hour. So I've got some questions for you to start. First of all, how many seconds are there in a minute? You got it? There are 60 seconds in a minute. And how many minutes are there in an hour? I'll give you a hint. It's the same as the first one. That's easy to remember, isn't it? There are 60 seconds in a minute, but there are also 60 minutes in an hour. How many minutes are there in half an hour? Well, if there are 60 minutes in an hour, half of 60 is 30. So there are 30 minutes in an hour. And how many days are there in a month? Between 28 and 31. So that one changes dependent on the month. And finally, how many days are there in a year? There are 365 days in a year. So a clock face is a full circle, which is made up of two halves. Now there are 30 minutes in half an hour. We've just talked about that. In a full hour, there are 60 minutes. So when we are halfway around the clock, we are 30 minutes past the hour. But instead of saying 30 minutes past, we say half past the hour. So let's have a look at this time. The minute hand is pointing at the 6, and I know that that is half past. That's half past the hour. Now the hour hand, the shorter hand, is pointing between the 1 and the 2. So when we're telling the time, we look at the number, the hour, that the hour hand has just gone past when we're talking about half past. So I can see that it is 1:30. This clock, the minute hand is at the number 6 again, so we're talking about half past the hour. So that's the big hand, remember. The little hand is pointing in between the 11 and 12. Now it's just gone past the 11, so I would say that it is 11:30. And here I can see that the minute hand, the long hand, is pointing at the 6 again. What do you notice about the small hand? That's right, it's pointing between the 3 and the 4. So because we've just gone past the 3, that is telling me that it is 3:30. So if you're feeling confident with that, I would like you to go onto the second sheet of the fluency. And if you're feeling a little bit less confident, I would like you to look at the first sheet. So I'm going to go through some of the question styles that you'll be doing. So question 1, what time does the clock show? Now I can see that the minute hand is pointing again at the number 6 and the hour hand is in between the 10 and the 11. So it's just gone past the 10. So it must be 10:30. So I just need to circle the right answer there. Question 2, true or false? The clock shows 5:30. Now the hour hand has just gone past the 5 and I can see that the minute hand is pointing at the 6. So I think that's true, that it is showing 5:30. Well done if you got that one right. Question number 3. Draw a line to match the clocks to the correct written time. Right, so I've got the minute hand at 6 again for 5:30, and the hour hand is between the 11 and 12. So that one must be 11:30. And the bottom one, I can see the minute hand is at the 6 again, and the hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. So that one must be 1:30. There we go. Okay. On this one, I've got to draw the hour hand and the minute hand on the clock to show the time 3:30. So for 3:30, I need the minute hand at the 6 and the hour hand just past the 3. There we go. And remember, if you feel confident with the fluency, I'd like you to have a go at the problem solving as well. Good luck and remember to ask for help if you need it. Take care. See you soon. Bye.